Hi everyone, I'm Descender Pereira and this is my something awesome project for SIT 102. Basically, I built a bigger version of Tic-Tac-Toe in C++ with a 6x6 board and a 4 in a row win condition. I also add two AI opponents, one random and one using smart algorithm. I'll explain the code and how I implemented the main features, and then I'll run the game to show you how it works. So let me explain how I wrote the code. At the very top, I included the libraries I need, and these are important because the easy AI makes random moves, so I need randomness in my program. Next, I defined the size of the board since I wanted it to be different from the normal 3x3 game. I set mine to 6x6 board, and I also set the winning condition to 4 in a row. That means anywhere on the board, if you get 4 X's or like 4 O's in a row, you win. Then I created the board as a 2D array. Uh, each cell of the array had neither be empty or hold an X or an O. I also wrote the function to display the board neatly with a row and column uh, numbers so the players always know where they can move. After that, I added the logic for checking wins and draws. This was a bit tricky because I had to make sure it checked every row, every column, and also both diagonals. And since it's not just 3 in row but 4, I had to loop through and check multiple combinations in each row and column, and this took a bit time, but it works well. For AI, I actually made two levels. Basically, this is the easy AI. This just picks a random empty spot on the board, and it's not very smart, but it's fun for beginners. The next one is the hard AI, where I added something more advanced, which is the minimax algorithm. What this does is look ahead at possible moves and tries to figure out the best outcomes. I also add depth limits so the AI doesn't take forever to decide its move. On the top of that, I made the scoring function that gives AI some ideas how good or bad the position is, so it can block me when I'm close to winning or try to set up for a win for itself. Finally, I have the main game loop. I tie everything together. The game starts by asking the player's name. Uh, and then it asks for a difficult level. After that, it goes back and forth. The player makes a move, the program checks if they won, and then the AI makes a move and it checks again at the end if someone wins or it's a draw. The scoreboard updates and the game asks if you want to play a game. So this is the general flow of how the code works, from setting up the board to handling the rules to making the AI smart enough to play games. So now I'll show you how the game runs. Let's open the terminal. First we have to write our name and the center name and this other. Then we are the X and the AI is the 0, the O. So I'm going to first just a difficult level easy since I need to show this. Then I have to enter the row and column that I need to place my move. So I'm gonna say 0 space 0, and as you can see it got placed there. Then like that, and the AI move was here is a random place because this is the easy AI. Then 0 1 0 2 and 0 space 3. As you can see, I won because I got 4 in a row, and the scoreboard says 1 for me and AI 0, and there are 0 draws. So Now I'm gonna say I want to play again. To play again, I choose Y. Yes, basically yes. Yes. So yeah, I think it came to the same difficulty. Hold on. Yeah. So I'm gonna choose no. And when you say no, the game start exit and it says thank you for playing. So now let's choose the next level. So I'm gonna compile it and again my name this other. So I'm gonna use the hard one this time. So now you'll see how it works. I'll choose 0 by 0 again, and you can see. So now I'm gonna say 0 by 1. The AI probably will put it in 0 2. Let's see. Like I said, it places marking as a 0 row, second column. Now like that, I'm gonna let the AI win. So I'm gonna say 1 0 3 0 4 0 and 5 0. Then the AI will probably win. And as you can see, the AI won against me, and there's no 0 draws. And at the end of each game, the score updates to show the win, losses, and draws. And I also can choose to play again without restarting the program. So this is basically my program, and let me explain why I think this is HD level. So here why I think this project is HD level, because first I expanded the normal 3 by 3 tic-tac-toe into 6 by 6 board with 6 in a row rule that required new logic for check-in, wins, and draws. Second, I implemented 2 AI levels, including the hard AI that use regression, heuristics, and deep limiting. That's much more advanced concept than just basic if-else logic. A third, I made the game more user-friendly. It asks for your name, validates rules, and displays the board neatly and tracks the scores across round. So it combines creativity and advanced programming techniques and good user experience. So this is my project. I really enjoy building it because it's let me use everything we learn in this unit and go beyond with ideas like regression and AI. I think it's so solid problem solving and creativity. So thank you for watching my program.